how to find and add nearby friends on Snapchat. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to find and add your nearby friends on your Snapchat. So once you're inside your Snapchat application, simply click on your profile section, and from over here what you can do is simply scroll down until you find the option called sharing snap map, and make sure your location is turned on and your ghost mode is turned off if you have enabled it, and simply click on that particular section. And once you're inside there, simply select you'll also see your other friends who are online or who have used their location on. Simply select on the places which you want to see. As you can see, I have added these places, selected this place, and once you're inside here, you can simply view the people who have already been to there, and you can simply add it the people like this from wherever they have visited like this. So that's exactly how you can add or find any nearby friends on your Snapchat application. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.